sorry. So we're increasing by a further 9%. So at the start of 2021, it went up by 9% of what it had gone up to in 2020. Does that make sense? Am I making... so multiply 9% by 259,200 and you get 23,328, and then add that back on. So 259,200 plus 23,328. 259,200, and I'm getting 282,528. Okay, so price at the start of 2020 is 259,200 and 2021 is 282,528. Okay, we'll check them. 259,200 and 282,528, and it's worth 10. Okay. So another house was valued at 460,000. 1 year later, the value of this house had gone up to 472,000. Work out the percentage increase in the value of this house. Okay, so the first thing to work out the percentage increase is that we have to work out the increase. So the increase is 472,000 minus 460,000, which is 12,000. And then to get the percentage increase, every percentage starts life as a fraction. So we start with a fraction, which is 12,000 over the original price of the house, which was 460,000, and then to turn that into a percentage, we just multiply by 100. So, 12,000 divided by 460,000 multiplied by 100. So I'm getting 2.60869, and it keeps on going. This says give your answer correct to one decimal place. So we do 1 and stop. We look at the number after the stop. Is 0 going to be strong enough to push up the 6? It is not, so it's just going to be 2.6%. Marks for that one. So 2.6%, 10 marks. All right, and this one. A third house is valued at 265,000. Over the following 4 years, the value of the house has increased by % each year compared to the previous year. After 4 years, the house is valued at 370,000. Work out the value of or by setting F equal to 370, P is 265, and T is 4. Okay, so this is just a sub in and kind of rearrange, which we did a good bit of in class. So in place of F, I'm putting in 370,000 equals. So I'm just going to copy the formula but replace the letters with numbers. So P is 265,123. So I've done this, this, and this. Next is the bracket and the 1 and the plus. Copying everything. Or we don't know, so just leave that. And then the little T is a 4. Okay, so it's tricky enough to get this out, but we've definitely done this. So the first thing I'm going to get rid of is this. The relationship between that and this is multiplication. So to undo multiplication, we divide by 265,000. That will get rid of that. But if I divide by 265,000 on the right, I have to divide by 265,000 on the left. Okay, so on the right now, I have 1 plus or over 100 to the power of 4. And on the left, I have... So I'm going to do that division, and I'm going to get... Okay, so the decimal number is really, really long, so I'm just going to leave it as a fraction. So it's 74 over 53. Okay, next thing I want to get rid of is the power. So the opposite of power is root. So hang on, I'll be back in a sec.